Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's learn how to build ASP.NET Core Web API project. We have two ways to build our solution. Either we can use same command prompt or we can use a terminal window here. Go to terminal menu, then click new terminal. See here in this bottom we have terminal window. Let's type the command .NET space build. Then press enter. See here there is no warnings, there is no errors. Build is successful. We can use this same command in command prompt also. .NET space build, press enter. See your build is succeeded, zero warnings, zero errors. This is how we can build our API project in these two ways. In our next video, we will learn how to run this API project. Thank you so much for watching this video.